What are altcoins? Chances are high you have heard of Bitcoin, but have you ever come across statements like the altcoin value is depreciating or the altcoin value appreciating? If yes, then the questions like what exactly altcoins are or should I invest in altcoins must have popped up in your mind. In today's session, we'll be telling you what actually works under the hood. Here is everything you need to know about altcoins. Before diving any further into the topic, let's quickly have a look at our today's agenda. What are altcoins? The origin of altcoins. Different types of altcoins. Why should you invest in altcoins? Future of altcoins and cryptocurrencies. Now, when the agenda is clear to you all, it's time to start the show. What are altcoins? Altcoins or alts, alternative coins, are cryptocurrencies that are not bitcoins. So, Litecoins, Ripple, Dash, or any other non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies can be called altcoins. Altcoins are the alternative to bitcoins. These are also the alternatives to currencies issued by the government. However, they do not have any physical existence as they are digital coins, the same as Bitcoin. Now, you must be thinking, why do you need altcoins when you have bitcoins, right? The answer to this is crystal clear. Bitcoin is not perfect, or to put it in a better way, altcoin is a better or different versions of bitcoins. Though altcoins still share the solid characteristics of bitcoins, every altcoin has its different unique features, which are way different from bitcoins. Let us give you a few examples stating the facts. Number 1. Litecoins falls under altcoins, which confirms transactions much faster than that of Bitcoin. Dash and Monero are altcoins are great in the anatomy aspects because they can perform almost untraceable transactions. When it comes to altcoins, each altcoin has unique feature that cannot copy or even try to do so. One of the most effective ways to figure out which altcoin is gaining immense popularity is by measuring their market cap. Market cap, the cap being short of capitalization, means the amount of capital invested in an asset when measured in dollars. The formula to measure the market cap is market cap is equal to coins multiplied by exchange rate. It is calculated by taking the number of coins in the circulation and multiplying it by the dollar exchange rate. For example, there are 20 million bitcoins in circulation and the price of one bitcoin is $3,000. Then the market cap for the bitcoin would be $60 billion. For the longest time, the market was acquired by bitcoins. But with the gaining popularity, the altcoins have managed to market's place, which has managed to surpass the popularity of Bitcoin. History of altcoins. Altcoins are not bitcoins, whereas these are cryptocurrencies other than bitcoins. Soon after the introduction of Bitcoin in 2009, the first ever altcoin was introduced in the year 2011, though it started gaining popularity much later in 2013 and 2014. With the rise in demand for the new features, by 2017, more than 600 cryptocurrencies were introduced under the altcoin category. The first ever altcoin, Namecoin, was released in April 1, 2011, which is far similar to Bitcoin and has the same maximum supply of 21 million coins. The altcoins are the cryptocurrencies that use blockchain technology that promotes secure peer-to-peer transactions. However, they are built after the success of Bitcoin but with a twist of appear more interesting and fascinating. According to the latest studies, more than 900 altcoins have already been introduced after the invention of Bitcoin. Now, when you have got a clear understanding of what exactly altcoins are and from where they originated, it's time to take the game a notch higher and introduce you to the most popular altcoins. Let's have a look at them together. Types of altcoins. There are close to 1000 altcoins present in the market. Hence, it is almost impossible to cover all of these. Below, we have curated a list of top 10 altcoins regaining popularity at various parameters. Let's understand each of them in detail. Number 1. Namecoin. Introduced 2 years after Bitcoin, Namecoin was the first ever baby of altcoin born in April 2011. The sole purpose of the invention of Namecoin was to replace the domain name system in a more decentralized way. In order to access any website ending with bit, a special plugin for Firefox or Chrome is available in Namecoin that will automatically guide you in the right direction. Being the first ever altcoin, Namecoin is a feature pack that ensures easy and reliable functioning that ultimately improves user experience. It features merge mining, which is an interesting mining approach that is unique to Find. Number 2. Litecoin. Introduced sometime after the Namecoin, the Litecoin was born in 2011 and gained immense popularity in the shortest period possible. For years, Litecoin was the second main cryptocurrency after Bitcoin as it uses memory hard minimizing puzzles, which is also termed as major technical difference in both currencies. Number 3. Peercoin. Peercoin was introduced somewhere around the end of 2012 that uses a proof of stake mining puzzle which is far different as it does not involve any computational work. Instead, it involves mining by making transactions using coin owned by the miner. Since it supports a hybrid mining protocol, it is a little too complicated but only for minting. Number 4. Dogecoin. Born in 2013 with the purpose of having fun with cryptocurrency. Dogecoin was a unique invention with minor technical changes from other currencies and Bitcoin that made it stand in the market. In fact, Dogecoin supports various small and big public events which made it popular in the eyes of public soon after its launch. It played a significant role in events like a NASCAR driver was sponsored by Dogecoin who ran the Dogecoin symbol on his shirt. Apart from these, one of the significant technical differences was the notion of random block rewards where each block bonus is random. Number 5. Ethereum. Ethereum was the first smart contract cryptocurrency introduced at the beginning of 2013 and brought to life in 2014. To put it in simple words, Ethereum is the do-to-it-yourself platform for decentralized programs, also known as dApps. It allows the creation of smart contracts in a Turing-complete programming language. The smart contracts here are the computer programming stored on all networks. Example of contracts running on Ethereum networks are financial markets, crowdfunding platforms, auctions, and so on. Number 6. Monero. Bitcoin provides pseudonymity which makes it suitable for monetary exchanges, whereas Monero is one such cryptocurrency that uses a ring signature algorithm that promotes a highly privacy level. This signature is a combination of multiple participant signatures. Hence, it becomes impossible to break. Unlike Bitcoin, Monero is fungible, which means every coin is identical to each other. Number 7. Cardano. First introduced in 2015, Cardano is a third generation cryptocurrency which is developed with an aim to protect user privacy. Though it is still evolving, its features make it one of the best cryptocurrencies that fall under the category of altcoin. Some of its features include high speed, which is the point of concern in various other cryptocurrencies. Money ownership means the money is owned by the user, unlike financial institutes. Higher security is another point of concern in most cryptocurrencies. 8. Ripple. Introduced back in 2012, Ripple is a blockchain-based digital payment network and protocol with its own cryptocurrency, XRP. It is highly different from Bitcoin as it primarily aims to help authorities and not substitute them, unlike Bitcoin. Rather than use blockchain mining, Ripple uses a consensual mechanism via a group of bank-owned servers to confirm transactions. Number 9. Polkadot. Polkadot is yet another successful altcoin that aims at delivering interoperability among other blockchains. It is designed to allow systems to work under one roof and to connect permission and permissionless blockchain. The only difference between Ethereum and Polkadot is that apart from creating decentralized applications, users can develop their own blockchain while ensuring maximum security. According to January 2021 reports, Polkadot has market capitalization of $11.2 billion and one dot trade for $12.54. These were the 9 altcoins cryptocurrencies that are standing right next to Bitcoin at the moment. Now, when you are aware of various altcoins, it's time to talk about some investments. So let's dive in. Do questions like, is this the good time to invest in altcoin? Or why should I invest in altcoins pops up in your head? Well, if yes, then today we're going to answer all your questions right here. Why should you invest in altcoins? Altcoins do offer higher percentage gain where they also involve much higher risk. With the rapidly increasing popularity, there is denying the fact that altcoins are on the top of everyone's list at the moment. If you want to invest your hard-earning money in altcoins, it is essential to analyze its potential. That being said, altcoins involve a higher risk factor, but the rate of return is much higher than Bitcoin. Remember, investing in altcoin or cryptocurrencies, for that matter of fact, should not be done lightly as we are in an initial stage of it where it isn't easy to achieve the preset goals. So make sure you do extensive research of all aspects to minimize the risk factors. Let's wind up today's session without the very last topic, which is the future of altcoins and cryptocurrencies. Future of altcoins and cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile, hence predicting is next to impossible. On this note, we will be starting our last topic today, which is the future of altcoins and cryptocurrencies. 2021 has been a year to remember for cryptocurrency. When we see Bitcoin touching new heights, it indeed shows a commendable impact on the industry and institutions. It is not only a hot topic among the investors, the general public is attracted towards Bitcoin and altcoins too. Despite economic damage caused by the combined 19, the cryptocurrency has managed to surge in the past couple of months. To quote example, Bitcoin has risen from $7,000 to $26,000, whereas Ether, which was at $130.27 at the beginning of the year, is now more than double. Though it was not the first time that Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency witnessed a massive rise, the same thing happened in 2017 when currencies jumped unexpectedly. Prediction for the future. Will Bitcoin crash one more time like it did in 2018? Well, this question revolves around every person who thinks of investing in cryptocurrency, where the possibilities are much less as the investors are now well informed. The 2017 spike happened due to individual investors who rushed into investment. But the situation is much different as insulation has started to embrace Bitcoin and altcoins. The risk. If you think all is well and there are only rainbows and unicorns in your way, then it is not 100% true as every coin has two sides, and so do the cryptocurrencies. While optimists have high hopes for a bright future, analysts spot endless risk in the coming future that cannot be ignored. Out of all the risks, one of the most disturbing risks involved in violation of Bitcoin. Though it may seem at peace from a distance, it is exceptionally volatile. Apart from Bitcoin, the altcoins have a higher volatile rate as fewer people are investing in them when compared to Bitcoin. We have now presented both sides of coin, and now it is up to you to come up with a reliable conclusion. What do you think will happen to cryptocurrency a decade back? Share your thoughts in the comment section below as we would love to read your opinions out. With this, we end today's session. We hope you liked every bit of it. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and comment below if you have doubts, as we are here to solve them. Before leaving, let's just quickly have a summary of what we discussed today. We first started with a simple altcoin definition, how it is different from Bitcoin and its point of origin. Later, we deeply studied the different types of altcoins and why one should invest in them. We ended our discussion by predicting the cryptocurrency's future.